Ever wonder how the microwave oven was invented? It all started with a simple mistake. In 1945, engineer Percy Spencer was working on radar technology when he noticed something strange. A chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Curious, he stood in front of the radar equipment with popcorn kernels, and they popped. That's when he realized he had discovered something groundbreaking: microwave cooking. Spencer quickly patented the technology, and soon, the first microwave oven was born, forever changing how we cook and heat food. From a melted chocolate bar to a kitchen essential, this accidental discovery revolutionized the world. Who knew a mistake could create something so important? Subscribe to AI History for more stories of inventions that changed our lives.